Hi guys, welcome to Arithmetic Clinic. Today we are going to be solving these questions. Now this is a regular pentagon. So let's see, this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now we are told that this is a regular polygon. Regular polygon in the sense that all sides are equal, and each of the sides is equals to 6 centimeters. So they were asking us to find the area of what? A shaded portion of the shaded portion. Now if you look at this, you see that the shaded portion is actually what? A triangle. That's ACF. Triangle ACF. Now how do we get the area of what? A triangle. There are actually three formulas of getting the areas of a triangle. So the first formula is the normal one. So area of a triangle is what? Half base times height. The second formula is area is equals to half AB sine theta. So this case is whereby we have a triangle this way, so the angle between them, and we now have the adjacent side A and B. While this one we have the base and then we have the height. While the third formula, which is called the Euros formula, is equals to square root of what? S bracket what? S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, where our S is equals to A plus B plus C all over 2. So this one is a case whereby we have a triangle and we are able to have the three sides A, B, and C. So this is called the what? Euros what formula. Now for us to be able to get the area of this triangle, we can decide. There are many ways because each of these formula have the method of using them. So we can decide to find the three sides of the triangle, or we find two sides of the triangle and what? An angle, or find the base and the height. So any one we try to use will give us our what? Required answer. Now, so if we say that each of them are what? 6 centimeters, so it means that AF is 6, AB 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, now one thing we can do is that this is a regular polygon. Now if it is a regular polygon, let's do something. Can we circumscribe this polygon? Now when we say circumscribing of polygon, it means that we get a circle that we pass, the circumference of the circle that we pass through each of the vertices of the what? Polygon. So that's to say we have a circle this way. I'm just sketching, so it's not necessarily going to be perfect. So now we have a circle this way, so we now decide to place the what? The hexagon inside of the what? Circle. Thereby each of these is what? Touching the vertex of what? The polygon. Now having it this way, now this is what? A regular hexagon. Now for a circle should have what? A center. So by the time we have it this way, it means that FC becomes what? The diameter of this what? Circle. Remember, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. So what I'm trying to get now is, can I get the diameter of this what? Circle? Because the diameter of this circle is going to be the length of what? CF. So thereby, if you now look at it, we have been able to get our AF and we have gotten our CF. So the next thing we need to do is to get this angle between them, so that will enable us to make use of what? The second formula. So to get this, remember, we can decide to draw as many diagonals as we want. So we have this one BE, we have AD. Now since this is what? A regular what? A regular polygon, all the angles are equal, so these angles here should be equal. Now if this is equal to each other, so it means that the internal angle, so let's say this is our O, talking about the center of the circle. So AOF, which is this angle at this point, is going to be 360 degree divided by what? 6. Why? Because each of these angles have to be equal, and we have 6 of them. So divided by 6, it will give us what? 60 degree. Now it means that AOF is what? 60 degree. Now let us enlarge that portion. So we have 60 and we have 6 centimeter. Now this is the radius of the circle, which we are not aware of. And looking at it this way, now the radius of the circle is equal to this. So it means that this angle here, A and B, let's say A and B should be equal, because of what? The base angles of what? An isosceles triangle are what? Equal. So A is equals to B. Now if that is the case, so this is F, this is A, and this is O. Now if that is the case, we can now say that A plus B plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now that is to say that A plus B is what? 180 degree minus 60 degree. So it means that what? Our A plus B is equals to 120 degree. Since A and B are equal, so A is equals to 120 degree divided by 2, which is what? 60 degree, and B is also what? 60 degree. Now if we have it that way, so what it means is that the whole angles there, 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. So meaning that this is what? And this is 6 centimeter. Now if these angles are equal, for the angles to be equal, it means that this triangle is what? Actually an equilateral triangle. And for an equilateral triangle, what we know is that in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So it means that OF is equals to what? 6 centimeter, and also the same thing as what? AO also equals to what? 6 centimeter. So the radius of this circle is what? 6 centimeter. Now if the radius is 6 centimeter, so what will be our diameter? Our diameter CF is going to be 2 of what? OF, which is 2 times what? 6, which will give us what? 12 centimeter. So CF is equals to what? 12 centimeter. Now let's go back to our diagram. Now from this hexagon, what was the shaded portion? So this shaded portion was like this, and like this. So where this is what? C, A, and F. Now we have gotten this place as a 6 centimeter. We have gotten this place as 12 centimeter. Now the remaining thing we need to know is the angle, and from this circle we have discovered that AFO, which is what we call angle A, was equals to what? 60 centimeter, 60 degree rather. Now to look for the area of the shaded portion, making use of the second formula, so it's going to be area is equals to half AB sine theta. So that is going to give us half times what is our A? Any of the two sides. So 6 centimeter times what? 12 centimeter times what? Sine 60 degree. So this is going to give us half times 6 times 12 times sine 60 degree is going to give us root 3 all over 2. So what we just do is that 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here what? 4. So that is now going to give us 3 times 4 times root 3. So this is going to give us 12 root 3. So this will be our answer. So thank you very much for this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much all my subscribers. Thank you. See you in the next video.